My name is Madison Estes, and this is the Module 5 Order of Operations project. I have already written out my equation, and I also have the order of operations written out to the side right here, so that way we don't get confused on what needs to come first. So the first order of operations is parentheses, so we have to do everything inside of the parentheses. Now I do see one problem starting off. The majority of our equation is in fraction form, and we have one term inside the parentheses that is a decimal. So we're just going to rewrite this and turn this decimal into a fraction. So this can be written as 5/10, 5 over 10. This is how you say this decimal, 5/10. And you just rewrite that 5 over 10. Now we're going to simplify this by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I'm just going to rewrite this and bring all the terms down. Now we can go on to solving what is inside of the parentheses. So we have 5/6 over 1/2. Now I can't do this with subtraction. I have to first find a common denominator. So 1/2. I need to find a common denominator with 5/6. I know that the common denominator is 6. So I can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And now I can just subtract. Now that I have common denominators, all I need to do is subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3 is 2, and then the denominators stay the same. That is equal to 2/6. And now I'm going to simplify this by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. I'm just going to rewrite this and bring everything down. And we have done the parentheses. Then we go on to exponents. We do have an exponent in this equation. It is 2. So whatever is matched with this exponent gets squared, and squaring something is the same thing as multiplying it by itself. So we're taking 1/3 times 1/3. We're just going to multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm just going to rewrite the equation, bring everything down. And we have finished that. Now we are going to do multiplication and division from left to right. So we don't necessarily do multiplication first. We do whatever comes first in the equation. So we have a division symbol. So we're going to divide 2/9 divided by 1/9. And since this has the same common denominator, we are going to just divide the numerator straight across. 2 divided by 1 is 2, and 9 divided by 9 is 1, and that can be written as just the numerator since it is over 1. So we're going to take 2 times 3/8, and then off to the side we're going to do this multiplication. 2 times 3/8 And since this is a fraction that we are multiplying it by, I'm just going to go ahead and bring that 1 back in. And we're just going to multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6. And 1 times 8, is 8. Now we have to simplify this. And we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Our answer to this equation is 3/4. We did the multiplication and division. We didn't end up having any addition or subtraction. I'm just going to mark that out. And there is the final product.